Hi, I'm Steph Evans and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Here we take a look at Non-Linear FEA from the model build and simulation process to the software workflow and key file types. Non-linear FEA requires considerably more understanding and setup over a linear FEA workflow. There are many aspects of model build and analysis setup through to solving and post-processing that need to be considered. For non-linear FEA, Apex interfaces with the MSC Nastran SOL400 advanced nonlinear solver, and we'll show you the key file types used with this approach, allowing you to run your models in a similar manner. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.